I want to play a game.
Yeah?
This is how the game is played. So you start with the first numbers, and then you go to the last numbers. But 21 is a number, and then you can choose one or two numbers. Like let's say I'm playing against someone, 1, 2, and then the other person decides to do 3, and then I can do 4, 5. But then whoever person is forced to say 21 loses.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6,
7, 8,
9,
10, 11,
12, 13,
14,
15,
16,
17,
18,
19, 20.
Why? Anyone?
Why were you happy when he said 18? You looked happy.
Because I could say 19, 20, and then he would say 21.
As Joe explained in this game, once Isaac said the number 18, Joe was excited because he could say 1920, forcing Isaac to say the losing number 21. So 20 is what we call a winning number. It's a number that you can say to guarantee you can win the game. Let's watch Isaac and Joe play again to see how the game plays out this time.
Don't play again. I know how to win. 1, 2,
3,
4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11,
12, 13,
14,
15, 16.
19, 20.
In this round, Isaac took advantage of the winning number 20. After Joe said 18, Isaac followed up with 1920, then Joe had to say 21 and lost the game. Let's think about this. Are there other numbers which we can say that would guarantee we could win the game? In other words, what other numbers are winning numbers? Well, what if during the round I said the number 17? If I say 17, then you would have two choices. You could say 18 or you could say 1819. If you decided to say 18, then I would follow up by saying 1920 and you would have to say 21 and lose the game. If instead you decided to say 1819, in that case I would follow up with 20 and then again you'd have to say 21. So if I say 17, no matter what you choose to do, whether you choose to say 18 or 1819, either way, I can guarantee that I win the game. So 17 is another winning number for the game. As long as I say 17, I can guarantee that no matter what you do, I can win the game. So what other numbers might be winning numbers in this game? So far we've seen 20 and 17 as winning numbers. If you're interested, pause the video, see if you can figure out another winning number for this game. I'm going to tell you in just a moment, but feel free to pause the video if you wish. So the other winning numbers for the game are 14 and 11. Do you see any pattern with these numbers? So one thing I notice is that they're all 3 away from each other. 11 to 14 to 17 to 20, we add 3 each time. And also, interestingly, they're all 1 less than a multiple of 3. So we know 21, 18, 15, and 12 are multiples of 3. All of these winning numbers are 1 number less than a multiple of 3. Let's mix up the game a bit.
Do you guys want to play a different version of the game?
Maybe.
Let me explain the rules. This time, instead of having the options of saying 1 or 2 numbers, you can say 1, 2, or 3 numbers each turn. Give it a try. Okay, who's going first?
Me.
You can choose.
1, 2, 3. 1. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
16, 17.
18, 19, 20!
21.
For this game with slightly different rules, we could ask the same question. What are the winning numbers for this game? Certainly, we know that 20 would be a winning number because if I say 20, you have to say 21. Why don't you try to figure out what other numbers are winning numbers for this game? If you'd like to pause the video, I will tell you the numbers in just a moment. So hopefully you've taken a moment to think about this, and it turns out that for this game, the winning numbers are 20, 16, 12, and 18. And we notice in this case that they're actually multiples of 4. We hope you had fun today playing with us. First to 21 loses. This is a great game to try out with your friends and to strategize with using math. Have a great day.